Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. So next weekend we're heading out as a family to go camping in the truck, and I figured I'd do a dry run here at the local little RV park. We're about 5 minutes from home, and I got my 4-year-old with me. Supposed to get some pretty good storms tonight, 30-mile-an-hour winds, and possibly hail and tornadoes. So we'll see how this goes. It'll definitely be a test for it, and a little prep to for next weekend. So let's get this thing set up. Last time it was no more than 10 minutes, so let's go. All right, so setup's really easy on this. Just gonna hook both of these latches here and pop open this side. I've got the ladder in there right now, so we'll get it opened up, hit the so there's that side. I'll pull the ladder out here in a second on the other side. I think we'll have the whole thing set up no more than 5 more minutes. There you go. I mean, we are already deployed here. That's probably, what, 30 seconds or so? That was super quick. And I got the ladder. And yeah, we'll get these awnings up, poles out. We're ready to go. It should be quick. For people who want to hate on rooftop tents, guys, this is what it's all about. You get it set up quick. You don't have to do a ground tent that easy or that long. And we're all done. And there you have it. We are ready to go. So I don't know how long that really took. I'll check it out. It's probably 45 seconds to a minute. But yeah, we're good to go. We'll get up there, get the awnings up, and be ready for the night. And less time than I don't even have kids yelling at me yet. So that works pretty well. All right, so yeah, all we need to get these awnings set up. I already got one pole in. You just need these gold poles. There's 8 of them. And we're ready to rock. Probably should have flipped that out first. What's up, Ted? What? You need boots?
Yeah, this is my clothes.
All right, hold on a second, buddy.
Can I have some rocks in?
You're not gonna catch us dinner, Kay? There goes the cookies.
That might have been my fault.
So yeah, there's one side up. We're ready to rock there. And then we'll knock out the rest real quick here. I don't need it right now, thank you.
No, just take it for the video.
And refreshments during it. How do you ask? All right, so I got two sides of the awning set up already. Got interrupted by a 4-year-old that needed some boots, but we'll get the other 2 sides set up and we'll be good to go. We got a storm blowing in right now, and but that won't stop us here. We'll get it all tied in, zipped up so that we don't get wet inside. And yeah, there we go. So yeah, there's 2 gold poles on each side that clip into these grommets here. I guess they're grommets. I don't know what you want to call them. Little circle things. I'm no expert at this, guys. I'm just a dad who likes cool stuff. All right, well, I got 3 of the awnings up. I'm gonna leave the one over the cab down, or, not deployed. Total time for setup was, I think, 9 minutes, and that involved me stopping to get my 4-year-old new pair of boots and, opening a beer. So I'd consider that pretty darn good. And we're done. We're fully set up, ready to go. All right, so like I said, 10 minutes, full setup. Plus, attend to the kids and, get a beverage for yourself. So, not bad there, not bad at all. And we'll hop up in there and I'll show you around inside. So yeah, I mean, it's you can sit up the full height. I'm all the way up, and I mean I'm stretching to get my head to touch the top. You've got your net up here to put all your goodies. I don't think you want to put too much in there, but hold some shirts, hold some spare clothes or whatever you need, and then when you fold it down, I'll put pillows up there for when I just collapse it. But yeah, you got full 360 on here for view. You got a light rail up here, or an LED light that plugs in. I haven't got my little Wolfbox power bank out yet, but I'll do that. And then you also got USB outlets or USB ports here that plug in through a power pole connector underneath the tent, so you can have full power. And I guess probably should mention it. You got a heater hose, which we won't need today, or an AC, which since the weather's awesome, we don't need that either. But yeah, you got your little port there for it, and full setup. You got a little bag for storage on there, and I'm telling you, this mattress is incredibly comfortable. But yeah, I'll check in probably later tonight or in the morning once the storm blows through and let you know how it goes. But I am super impressed with kind of setup on it. I'm 6 foot tall, head's full out there, and feet are all the way to the edge, but have no issues there. And that's if you're a back sleeper stretched out, and I'm not. I'm a side sleeper. But anyway, I'll have plenty of room for me and my son, and maybe even my daughter, my 2-year-old, if she wanted to join us too. So super impressed. And then the liner up here on the top that's like quilted to keep sound down. All in all, really good for a $1,000 tent. This is extremely impressive, especially for a hard shell. So I'm gonna go have a few beverages, play some cornhole, and maybe do some fishing with the 4-year-old. Check back in the morning. Well, I'd say there's plenty of room even for a dad and 2 little kids. So my 2-year-old decided to join us. We're all here and gonna make it a night. So far, super impressed with this thing. Oh, they decided to hop back out. We're not quite at bedtime yet here, but yeah, there's enough room for a grown man and there is 2 little kids. Well, it'll be a little tight, but we're gonna have fun with it. All right, got the 2 of us in here, getting ready for bed. All is good. Got our LED light going here, and got some storms coming in tonight, but all is looking good. And we've had on and off storms all afternoon. I think we're gonna be good to go here, and we'll check in the morning. All right, night 1's in the books. All good. It was windy, but tent is doing great. We no rain. How'd you sleep last night, buddy?
Good.
Yeah, you slept good in the tent? Awesome. He stole my rumple blanket, but we survived with a 4-year-old's blanket, so all good. Super impressed with this thing. This mattress pad is super thick and really comfortable. So all in all, great night. All right, so like I said, it was a great night sleeping here. I think it's all due to this big thick mattress we have. You also got a liner in there for condensation. Then you get down to your floor, and actually there's an additional liner there. So there's several layers in that. But this mattress, compared to my Smittybilt, is great. And even so, like my Thermarest pads and all that, super impressed with it. And then I'm gonna leave all my stuff in here. so I don't have to worry about transporting it and storing it. So yeah, great night all in, and guys, I can't say enough good things about this. Yeah, not at all. It's just phenomenal. All right, all packed up, weekend's done, and again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. This super impressed with this tent. We'll get it out again next weekend and give it a real shakedown. But great first impression, and I can't say enough good things about it. So see you next time.